Hello everyone, in this video I'll give you 10 gift ideas to give your sisters on Rakshabandhan. So without wasting time, let's begin. On number 10 we have greeting cards. Simple card, secret message card, pop-up cards, maze cards. On number 9 we have chocolates. On number 8 we have earrings. On number 7 we have bracelet. At number 6 we have dream catcher. At number 5 simple mini photo frame. Number 4 reasons why I love you. Number 3 open when letters. At number 2 photo puzzle. And number 1 is scrapbook. So I have uploaded all the videos in my channel of each and every gift idea which I gave just now. So all the links of those videos are in the description below, so do check it out. Make your own gift for your sisters, and happy Rakshabandhan to everyone in advance. If you like the video, please do hit on the like button below, and also please do share it with your friends and family. If you all are new to the channel, please do subscribe by clicking on the red subscribe button below, and also click on the bell icon so that you get notified when I upload new videos. Thank you. See you in the next video.